Hi! In front of me is Thomson TO13P, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then click on Notifications. Select See All from last 7 days and tap on Most Recent at the top. Now you can select the best filter for you, in my case Most Frequent, and tap on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just tap on one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!